I've been working the last 2 years using LSD as a treatment modality for alcoholics. We have given now, I think, over 150 alcoholics LSD, and we've noted a number of changes in these people. In fact, we learn something new every time we give it. We've been impressed greatly by the effects of the attitudes of the treatment personnel and the patients toward the drug and the experience, as well as the setting where the drug is given, as almost dictating what the reaction to the drug will be. So we're not only studying a drug per se, we are studying a treatment method. We can't say just LSD, that this is what we're studying, because this isn't so.
I had the visual hallucinations. For some reason, it didn't twig that the hallucinations were due to the peyote. Whenever I shut my eyes, it was like having my own TV set. And all these little colored lights would go on and flash. It was very similar to a nightclub stage. This to me seemed the way it had always been. This wasn't due to the peyote. This was just something to occupy my mind when I wasn't thinking of anything else. So when I looked up, and I still wanted very badly to have this experience, I saw the Indians all beating time to the music. Well, I wasn't going to be outdone. I wanted to show them that I was really going to enter in. So I started to shake my whole body in time to the drums. And before very long, this got out of control. Eventually, I had what I suppose is some form of ego split. My mind left my body, and I had this amazing experience of looking down at myself. This came at a time, unfortunately, when I was getting some of the emetic effect that these drugs characterize. When I tried to get to my feet, there I was, under full control out there, but my body was having a little trouble. It couldn't get out. So we sort of got some help and carried me out. And I couldn't stand up. Every once in a while, they'd get me walking, and I'd say, well, bye-bye now, and boom, my body would slap down on the ground. And this was a complete splitting of the body and mind. And at one point while I was up there, I started to remember when I heard about this chap who never made it back. And I kept saying to Dr. Ammon that panic was seizing me. But this was an entirely different experience from Dr. Ammon's. I was still able to realize what was happening. I just couldn't control it. Dr. Ammon, on the other hand, was in full rational control of himself all the time.
He says.